Hello everybody, I'm right now in the farmer. So there is a lot of trees they name called nakhla. That's really beautiful, and I want to show you some plants. Look, is that's really good plants. The view or anything. So there is a banana, I think, and I want to grow here mango, but the mango it's really hardest. You have to make a score on the around of the mango, and you bottle it water like on the ground on the under, because she's die if I direct water. There's a banana thing, and see there, that's a flower. That's really good. See that flower, but that's it's not her season because the hottest weather has killed her, and there is a lot of trees. Yeah, and I want to show you something. I grow here a bamboo, uh, and there is here bamboo again, another plant. So that is a farmer. I like a farmer because when you come here, you feel relaxing, and you see like the sun. There's light. That's a nature light from the life, that's from the God, and really good. Yeah, see. Else, you have the dirt from this trees. The dirt it's really good, like a sweetie. The there is a lot of name. So I like a farmer because they have a to grow up to care about that plant. That's good. And see, that's what I that that's here. See, that is the dit. That's really good and sweet. And look, that's a farmer. Really good. If you have a farmer, go to relaxing your mind. Yeah. And in the final, I want to say thank you for watching, and like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And I wish that my farmer is good, make a good, happy video, and see you next time.